For any triangle ABC, it's given that A, B, and C are in arithmetic progression. Then we need to show that 2 times sine of A over 2 times sine C over 2 equals to sine B over 2. Okay, let us begin. So before beginning the proof, let's specify the half angle formula. Now, sine of A over 2, that's given by square root of S minus B times S minus C over BC. Similarly, we have the half angle formula for sine B over 2 and sine C over 2. Now here, S represents the semi-perimeter of a triangle. That means if we sum up the sides of the triangle A, B, and C, then divided by 2, that's going to give us the semi-perimeter S of the triangle. Fine. Now let's start from the left hand side. So on the left hand side of the problem, we have 2 times sine of A over 2 multiplied to sine of C over 2. So let's use the formula for sine A over 2. So that will be the square root of S minus B multiplied to S minus C divided by BC. This will get multiplied to sine C over 2. So that's square root of S minus A times S minus B divided by AB. So that will be equals to 2 times the square root of S minus A times S minus B. S minus B gets squared multiplied to S minus C whole divided by AB squared C. Fine. Now we have 2 times S minus B divided by B. So that gets multiplied to the square root of S minus A times S minus C whole divided by AC. And we have 2 times S minus 2 times B divided by B multiplied to, now the square root of S minus A times S minus C over AC. This is nothing but the formula for sine of B over 2. And we can replace it with sine of B over 2. Okay, now it's not quite the right hand side yet. On the right hand side, we need to have only sine B over 2. That means 2S minus 2B over B, that must go to that must be 1. So let's try to work with that. It's given here. It's given in the problem that A, B, and C, these 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. Now, if they are in arithmetic progression, that means 2 times the middle term must be equals to the sum of the first and the third term. Now, what we'll do? We will add a B to both sides such that we get 3B equals to A plus B plus C. That means we have 3B equals to, now what is A plus B plus C? That's the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle equals 2 times the semi-perimeter. Next, what we'll do? We'll substitute this 2S with 3B. So that means we now have 3B minus 2B whole divided by B. That gets multiplied to sine B over 2. So 3B minus 2B, that's simply B. So we're B over B multiplied to sine B over 2, which is simply sine B over 2. And that's the expression on the right hand side. So we have successfully showed that 2 times the product of sine A over 2 and sine C over 2 equals sine of B over 2, provided A, B, and C are in arithmetic progression.